Live from the Karl Chevrolet Studios. Welcome back. It's a great day. Brett Moyer joining us from aforementioned Karl Chevrolet, as we have a lot of really cool things to talk about in the next couple of minutes. So hopefully you can stick around for this. One, you're not going to believe a deal going on. You are not going to believe, especially if you like high-powered, I guess you call them race cars for the streets. So
street legal
that'll be coming up here in just a little bit. But speaking of that, let's roll this video full sound, please, Eric.
In ARCA, the second of the season, he's a winner at the Kansas Speedway.
In just his sixth start of the season, Mason Mitchell gets his second win of the year and his very first here at Kansas Speedway.
Well, first off, I can't thank Karl Chevrolet enough for their support going on to Iowa, and every time we've been together, we've won.
How about that? Every time we've been together, we've won.
Those burnouts are why we have the tires for life.
But we don't have that on the race car.
And of course, what he made reference to was Karl Chevrolet was on Mason Mitchell's car when he ran the Iowa Speedway. And then this iconic picture, which we gave to Karl, by the way, and I'm not sure if he still has it in his office or not, but that is the classic picture of Karl and Mason in victory lane at Iowa Speedway. So 2-2, man, that's pretty good.
Unreal.
Isn't that great?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's an unreal pairing, and you can pair people up with cars and with deals that are unreal too.
Absolutely.
For example.
Where'd we start?
You have so many.
First of all, we've talked some about the Chevy driving experience, and I'd like to talk about that a little again, just to make sure everybody understands if you're considering a vehicle. We've got the complete lineup. You can come out and pick one out and drive it for up to 4 days.
And really give it a test drive.
Exactly. And it's a brand spanking new car. And if you like that one you're driving, we can even sell you that one at a discounted price.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Yeah.
You know who takes advantage of that?
I love driving the different vehicles. It's a great opportunity to try different ones out. I know what we do to set one up, but if people are interested, can they just call over and say, hey, I'd like to check this one out? What's the best way to make that happen?
Just stop in.
Just stop in, best way to do it.
We're staffed up to help you.
How much turnaround do you need? Do you need to go in like on a Monday and then do it on a Tuesday, or how soon can we get this turned around?
We could probably do it real time. I mean, when you come in, there's probably a 90% chance we'll have the vehicle there for you, because we've got 90 of them.
Ready to go.
Ready to go.
That's pretty impressive.
They're under a certain program, and that's what they're meant for, is for you to check them out.
Yep. And, you know, we've got these, they get up to about 3,000 miles on them, and then when we take them out of service, if somebody wants a extra discount, that's the vehicle right there to even purchase, you know, the ones that we've used in this, because it's not like a rental car or anything. The people are taking good care of them.
Sure.
They're just running them through their paces to see how they work for them in their everyday life.
Right. So that's a great deal all the way around.
Yeah.
So, you know, might as well drive it and see if it's the right vehicle for you. And if it's not, you trade it in and try a different one.
Absolutely. And we've never in history had such a helpful tool to help somebody figure out if this is the right vehicle.
Maybe you're torn between two different sizes of like SUV type vehicles, and try them both, see which one works better.
Exactly. And, you know, leather interior, cloth interior, you know, if you're talking a Silverado, an extended cab or a double cab, or, you know, just so many options.
Just try them out.
Yeah.
Definitely. Now that's for the new vehicles, correct?
Yes.
Now when it comes to used vehicles, one thing you have to keep in mind, we're pretty lucky around here to have the #1 dealership that deals with these pre-owned vehicles in the country. Now, the thing that's most impressive, Brett, tell everybody how many dealerships are going for this honor.
5,000.
5,000.
Yeah.
I didn't realize there was that many.
Yeah. And we've been at the top of that list for 9 years. We're working on our 10th right now, and I don't want to jinx it, but we're sitting on top again. And we've got, you know, 3 months to go yet.
Right. So,
yeah.
So great. So if you're looking for a pre-owned car, this would be the thing to do now. But maybe you have a vehicle you like, and you just want to spiff it up a little bit, Jackie. You know what you could probably do is just head over to the pro shop.
Yeah, our accessories, and that's something that everybody might not realize. They might think that we just accessorize the vehicles that we sell. but we welcome anybody to come in. And you know, people are always accessorizing pickups, and we can help you with every part of that. You know, from wheels and tires to lift kits to exhaust, running boards, putting leather interior in one that has cloth, stereo systems. It just goes on and on.
And then, of course, you know, always have your trucks discounted
Yeah.
over at Carl Chevrolet, and you have the Silverados, and you have a big discount on the Silverados too.
Yeah, and right now we've got through the end of the month on Truck Month, and there's big discounts going on. And like always, we've got a number that we're trying to hit, so that's advantage customer.
Exactly.
And with the extra incentives, it's a good time.
All right, now let's talk about the street legal race car.
Okay.
And there's how many of these available?
Well, this particular one has a big discount on it. We were allowed by GM to pick one, and this is the one, and it's got a 15% discount. Wow.
Okay, I believe we have a photo of this one here. Let's take a look and show you exactly what we're talking about. It is the Z28.
Yes, yes, and 580 horsepower.
580.
Hey, imagine that on the
Can't
street.
imagine.
That's
gotta be
race
fun to
car.
step on.
That's
Yeah.
race car level
Yeah.
for that. And so 15%. Those don't go on sale.
No, it's usually a vehicle that you go in to buy it, and it's MSRP. And what that amounts to on this particular car is a $11,400 discount.
Wow.
I mean, that's huge.
That's a gigantic. We're
Yeah.
talking about huge. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, do they need to come see you in particular to get that
No.
deal, or just any
No,
of the salespeople?
any of the salespeople, and that vehicle sitting right in front of my office. And it's got a 15% discount tag in the window.
All right, here's where you need to go. It's Carl Chevrolet, 1101 Southeast Oral Labor Drive. It is just up I-35, exit 90 at
Yeah.
The Rock.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. Good job, man.
All right.
All right, buddy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.